Hi, this is the 2007 and Dodge 1500, and then purge valve replacement, and then this is parts, and then inside here this one, this parts here, and then I got replacement to here, this one here. It's there's a check engine in the show up, and then I gotta change it. 2007 Dodge 1500 Ram, okay. The Hummy 5.7 5.7L VA. First, I gonna the negative the battery take off for safety, and then next time this one, and then a connection. Next time this is I gonna this connection I gonna take off, and then connect two more here. I gonna show up. I show you. I gonna show it to you. Okay. First, I have to take off this connection, and then this one is like this one, and then I gonna to right here like this one here. Pull. First, I have to take off this connection, and then this one is like this one, and then I gonna to right here like this one here. Pull to right this one, push here, and then push here, and then take off. And the second one I have to do this one, pull down like this one, down and then pull, and here is a blue thing, and then click like blue thing like this one, and then take off. Okay. This is the old one, and then sorry, so push it here, and then like sorry, this is shadow. Okay, this one here, and then push it right here. Okay, I installed the Fuji valve. This is electric connector and two hose. This one, it's pretty easy. You know, just be careful with plastic and then not broken. And then I installed the here the connect the metal here. This one, and this one here. Yeah, and then just backward. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna check the engine start. I replaced again this one because its previous is the purge valve is not working properly, and then I bought and replaced this one. That is working good.